In 2 months from now, medical marijuana will officially be legal here in Ohio.
But will you be able to get it? And as we found out, this is not simple as some would like it to be. In fact, we spoke to the moms of 2 children who suffer from seizures. They were overjoyed when Governor John Kasich signed medical marijuana into law, but now they're concerned because pot is illegal federally. It'll keep their children from the drug they believe is exactly what their daughters need.
Would you consider giving a great big smile? Would you consider it? Oh, I'm so glad. I'm so glad.
12-year-old Lucy Schulten has what her mom calls significant epilepsy.
She's a kid who has hundreds of seizures a day, who can have hundreds of seizures a day. I think she actually just had one.
Her mom, Nicole, believes cannabis would help Lucy.
What are you doing, silly?
Savannah Lewis is 18 months old, has a rare genetic disease that causes seizures, and her mom is currently giving her what she says is legal hemp oil.
She went from having 5 to 6, sometimes she'd hit 32 in a day, to having only 16 in 8 months now.
Savannah started having full-body seizures at 11 weeks old. When she started traditional seizure medications, her mom said the side effects were severe. This is a picture of Savannah then. She had lost control of her neck muscles, and this is her after ending those medications and using hemp oil.
Just from January until now, she went from having the head control of a 2-month-old to now she's crawling and pulling herself up.
However, her mom, Scarlett Leisure, says Children's Hospital has already denied her use of the hemp oil and told her the change in state law won't matter.
September 8th, it'll be completely legal, and they told me that they weren't looking to change their hospital policies anytime soon.
In fact, Children's Hospital tells 9 on Your Side we would not recommend the use of medical cannabis until the FDA rules that it is safe and effective.
The hospital pharmacies get evaluated by the DEA, and from the DEA's perspective, this is still an illegal drug.
Dr. Michael Privatera is the director of the Epilepsy Center at the UC Neuroscience Institute. Because processes must be created and studies done, he predicts people in Ohio won't get their hands on medical marijuana until at least 2018.
At this point, medical marijuana is an unproven treatment. So there are lots of anecdotal reports in the literature, there are small case series, but these don't really tell us, are we really sure that the medicine worked?
She's had a 95% reduction in seizures on cannabis oil, and that's something that seizure medications never did for her.
Scarlett Leisure is certain hemp oil has helped her little girl. And Nicole Schulten, who would like to see her daughter walk, hear her talk, well, she would like to try.
Yes, that is absolutely something that I am hoping for not only my child, but every kid in the state of Ohio who needs that medicine, who needs that kind of an opportunity.
September 8th is when medical marijuana becomes legal in Ohio, but there will be an advisory board formed to review how and where and for whom the medicines can be administered. Now, we have the responses of other hospitals on their medical marijuana policies online, plus so much more on these families. My colleague Lisa Bernard-Kuhn has been following this story for years now. Go check it out.
Great report.